What's up, gang? So today we're gonna be debadging the E badge and possibly the stinger badge up the back of the car and blacking it out. Pretty much we're gonna go ahead and black out the whole body of the car. Only thing that's gonna be silver foam, silver the wheels. Everything else is getting blacked out. I'm doing this because like I said, the car's getting wrapped soon. So in preparation for that, I'm gonna go ahead and just little by little we're gonna get the car ready for its next look. Like I said, we're gonna be debadging the E badge, taking that off. I'm gonna get scissors to cut this part of my sticker off, and then I might take this off too. All right, so I copped these like a month ago. Honestly, realistically, I want just to debadge the car completely, but you know, there's holes under this. So I can find a way to get them holes like covered up. The new Kia logo, just gonna throw it in right there. I got two of them, so I might throw one in the front, one in the back. So if you never debadged before, really all you need is a heat gun, but it can, or a blow dry, but it can get a little, depending on how long it's been there, it can get more difficult than that. If I were to take this off, it'd be easy, probably like 3 minutes. Take that off, clean it up. One in the front, I'm assuming this is gonna take a while because I had this on since I had the car. So it's gonna be a lot of goo under this, and it's gonna be very difficult probably to get the goo off. I got that. See, it's two prongs in there. I forgot that was even there, bro. So there's 3 holes in here. Damn. I forgot about these 3 holes, bro. I gotta cover that shit up. See, I had the 2 holes, and then this one was just, that's what really was holding it. That's why I couldn't get the car all the way down from the top. Oh, I forgot. Clean this up now. I do not have my glue gun on me. Don't think I do, at least. So I'm gonna just try to find a different way to get it off. There's not that much glue left behind, and it's coming off pretty easily. I have not used any products, so I'm just really just rolling my finger because it's so hot. So it's literally just rolling right off. Especially when you do this, be careful because you can mess your skin up by doing this a lot. But I got this from eBay. This is like an official emblem because I had one before this, and it was plastic, and it was just this. This is metal, and it comes with this and a backing, which is 3M tape. So go ahead and see how it looks. Ugh. How can we position it to cover the holes? Because that's the whole point. So what I realized is a lot of this wasn't even goo. This is here. You can see little traces of it. That's the actual paint scratch from me removing that emblem. But no, Kia paint is cheap. It's like a really thin layer. I don't know. It is what it is, but I'm not tripping about it too much, bro. Still gonna put this emblem on. It's gonna look fire, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. At least be straight, because it might not be centered, you know what I mean? Because I think it should be more centered, but it has to be more like this to cover up the holes. So it is what it is. As long as it's straight, I'm fine with it. Once it's on, it's on. So ain't even no point of trying to. So this side went. It was easier to take off, but the residue, bro, it took me a while to get this shit off, bro. It's still not off, as you can see. But we have the template down of the KN badge. I say KN, this is like a K in the end to me. This don't even look like a KIA. But all done with the badging. The back of it is still a little residue left over. I gotta clean that up. But I'm running late. I need to go take some pictures and videos right now for Instagram. And then I gotta go to Kia, Greenway Kia, and get some touch-up paint so I could touch with the front. I'm gonna show you what the back looking like, so you know you really can't tell that there's a. You can't tell that there's a logo back there, which is pretty much what I wanted. You can still see the stinger a little bit. So I gotta clean it up a little bit. And in the front, stick it like
That looks cool.
thank you.
It really does.
Appreciate it. And take some videos and pictures for Instagram. So like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. Baby Stango, we is out. Yeah, bro. I just shot the Instagram reels and medical stores pretty soon. Go follow me on Instagram, baby.stanger. Check them out. It's gonna go crazy. Just hit 1,000 followers on Instagram, whatever. So comment, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. Baby Stanger, we out. Let's get it.